Hey everyone, it's Miss M. We are moving on to our statistics chapter. For this chapter, we're going to be creating a project as we move along through the lessons. Miss Richardson and I collaborated on this website, so I'm going to bring you through it just to show you where to find everything because you are mostly going to be on here to find your assignments through this chapter. Sometimes there will be assignments that will say to go to Classroom to find forms or docs since multiple classes will be using this website, so it'll be hard to link through here. Okay, so this is the home page. It just tells you the purpose about why we're learning statistics. We're going to see where it's used in the real world and all the different lessons and objectives. This little tab here will bring you to the lessons. So if I bring you to lesson 1, and scroll down, usually lessons will be split into 2 days. So day 1, it will give you bullet points of what you're expected to do for the day. Here, like these definitions, if you just click there, it'll open up in a new tab. Everything should be shared with you, so you shouldn't have any problems opening. Sometimes there will be just links where you can open and it'll bring you to what you need. Okay, so say I go to lesson 2 here. Lesson 2 is interpreting quartiles and interquartile range. So a lot of times you're going to have to watch videos and fill out guided notes. So here it has the link to the video, all the videos we made. So they'll go right with your notes. Open up the guided notes. You can either print them or you can just copy them down on another piece of paper, whichever you prefer. And then most days when you watch a video and take notes, then you'll complete an exit ticket, which will be a Google form that you can get on Classroom. And most of the time, the day 2 is when you'll be working on the project. You'll get more directions for the project once we actually start with the lessons here. Okay, so it goes up to lesson 6, and then the last page is the final project. It tells you what you're going to do. It has the directions you can go back to and the rubric, but you will be watching a video where I will explain the project as well. All right, talk to you later.